Yeah, there's a fire next door to where I'm living. There's a church, and it's like one door down from where I live. I live right here. And there's a fire. A lot of fire personnel here. And I think they have this fire under control. It has been like 15 minutes since I was coming back from the supermarket and I saw where they have a fire next door. So I think it's now under control. But when I came, it was smoking. I thought it was at my house. Because when I left my house earlier, one of my neighbors, he had the oven going. So when I smelled the smoke and heard the fire engines, I swear it was my place because I turned and stopped right in front of my building at first. Because I live a few blocks away from the fire station, police station and emergency service. So I'm just gonna go up on my steps and try and get a bit from there. Excuse me. You can see very good response to the fire. They were here real quick.
Somebody's in there? Because I see them.
Yeah, they always call them shit in case someone is inside.
When I collect my package, they was closing up the church. 2 old women.
Wow.
So they left on something.
Yes, something was left on.
They also left outside my house. Huh? Yes. Yeah, it's a church. It's a church. No, because when I came home, the guy next door told me he had a package to me. So I tell him I'm home, I'm going to come get the package. When I was going, I saw a woman going from church, and then when I collect her package, I'm coming back. 2 old women knocked up the door and left them went and walked that way. So they probably left something on in there. Because whatever happened, I said,
Yeah, even of the emergency service, just in case someone was like injured. So as you can see, it's a big response I think I can count
I
one,
keep
two,
seeing the flame
three,
more and more. So I see,
four,
through the
five,
door,
six,
I
seven,
see,
eight,
like the fire truck thing. Girl,
about
when I open the
9
door, it's the fire next door.
fire engines.
What's going on?
About 9 fire engines.
Girl, it's the charge. No, no. Let me call you back, Shay. Let me call you back. Girl, I see this fire truck in the street there, right? So I thought, I smell the smoke, but you know